Hydroplus 4.0 is an all-in-one solution that offers all the necessary software and hardware for your farming business. It is customizable for all types of irrigation systems, whether they are drip irrigation, micro-irrigation, mobile or underground coverage systems or pivot systems, and consists of the following devices. Irrigation controllers. It relies on the most advanced autonomous controllers lineup with batteries or solar recharge for triggering latch solenoid valve systems or 24 volts AC solenoids indoor or outdoor and with different capacities depending on the wiring method and the valve power supply. The PG6011 or PG6010 controllers are autonomous controllers operated with a 9 to 12 volts DC battery equipped with 14 physical outputs for latching solenoids. The PG6025 and PG6015, however, are 110 to 220 volts electrical controllers with outputs for 24 volts AC solenoids through direct multiple outputs or through mono output with a 2-wire decoder system being able to connect up to 255 decoders along this 2-wire line and to cover distances up to 2,500 multi-directional meters. Remote radio decoders. These enable the valve opening and closing operation using low-Ra wireless communication and avoiding the need for wiring. There are two types of Oasis radio decoders. The Oasis battery model is powered by conventional alkaline batteries with enough autonomy for an entire irrigation campaign. The Oasis solar model also includes a solar panel and rechargeable batteries, avoiding the need for yearly replacement. All these Oasis units are provided with 4 outputs for 6 to 18 volts DC latch solenoids, enabling the assignment of every output to values from 1 to 128 and the ability to repeat those values as needed. In optimal conditions, we can link the irrigation controller to the Oasis units in distances above 12 kilometers, with the option to set up the Oasis as repeaters in case of adverse conditions and thus being able to access the most isolated nooks. Inside the Oasis box, you will also find various installation tools, such as the clamp bracket to set up the Oasis on a pipe or a stake, or the cable crimping connectors in order to connect properly to the solenoid's wires. Sensor data loggers. These remote field units are able to read and store different types of data and upload them to the cloud. They support a wide range of sensors which you can find in the VIR's product portfolio. Independent weather stations or internet weather forecast that record all kinds of weather data which will interact with your irrigation controllers. All the controller units are provided with a COM1 port where we can optionally connect the Oasis COM remote communication units. This unit allows to link the controller to the Hydroplus cloud via GPRS or Wi-Fi. It also enables the linking of the irrigation controllers to the remote radio decoders via low-Ra wireless communication. All the devices are controlled from the Hydroplus 4.0 app. It is a powerful software designed for iOS, Android, or for being controlled from a web browser from any computer. Its database offers various plans and licenses which will suit your needs depending on the number of stations and controllers or on the sensor and automation types that are being used. Once you register as a user, you can set up and access all your parcels with irrigation, monitor and analyze in real time what happened, what is happening, and forecast the days to come. All the irrigation controllers can be programmed and linked to different parcels with different soil characteristics and different crop types. If you activate the smart irrigation, you can interact with the duration of the crop stages and the KC or EVP in every crop on a daily basis. We can also set the fertilizer dosing or the filter cleaning process, schedule irrigation timetables by usage restriction, activate the irrigation on demand, perform manual valve irrigation or presets, etc., etc. The landing page enables the user to organize easily the display of all the windows on his mobile device, controller status, crop status, data and weather forecast, sensor data, positioning map, irrigation schedules, and all types of sensor charts. Don't wait any longer and step forward into the future with Hydroplus 4.0, the perfect automated intelligent irrigation system.